All right, y'all. So basically, what we about to do is we about to go over everything that I did, everything that I got done from the first video until right now. Shout out to the boys that's been clicking my videos, liking my videos, subscribing to my videos. Shout out to all my brothers that's been fucking with me, been helping me with Becky, been giving nigga a push, inspiring a nigga. So that being said, today is the day we talk about everything that I did to this month. Everything, you know what I'm saying? First things first, this is my 1985 Impala. For the people who don't know about my Impala, this is Ebony. Her name used to be Becky, but I changed her name. So she started out, base color was blue. When I bought it from Iowa. It was about a 5 to 7 hour drive, so about half a day to get it from there back home. I love this car. Now, quick inspiration for people in the back, bro. When I got it, my family, they didn't really care. Why did you get it? Buati bam. Bro, shout out my mom, my dad, and my Uncle Skeet, bro, and my woman. I say that all the time. Shout out my brothers. Again, now, that being said, this right here is Ebony. We're about to get into her ass in a minute. While I'm out here, okay, this is what I did, bro. We sanded the whole car. Like I said, it was originally the light blue. Now it's like a powderish bluish gray right now after we done sanded it and shit. So I gotta go back over this and put primer before it rusts all the way through. Now, either I'm gonna have to get a new door or I'm gonna have to get some metal and or some fiberglass. Okay, boom. In the last couple videos, I don't know if y'all seen the video where me and my cousin was driving and we broke the hood. He broke the hood. So me and my brother Dre took the hood off and then we start doing the hood. Now, how did it break? The hinges and latches and whatnot, you know, they get old and rusty. I was driving, popped up. Whew. Now, this mug look good. I ain't gonna lie. She look beautiful. But, okay, boom. Go around. I still gotta get some new headlights. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do to this yet. I'm gonna keep that on the I need to clean this right here. I need to get that cleaned up right there. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do to that right there, you feel me? But I need some new headlights, you feel me? Boom. We did the sides. I gotta go over it again. Anyway, like I was saying, I could do better on this side. I gotta go over it again. You feel me? I go over it again. Some spots and shit. Hey, I gotta keep showing the hood, because the hood hard as shit. But anyway, you feel me? It's all kind of shit. I gotta go over this again. Yeah, man. Me and my brothers helped me with this shit along the way, so I didn't do this shit all by myself. I gotta get some new drinks. You see you know what I'm saying? Did this a little bit, gotta go over this again. Not really. I might not really have to. I gotta go over this again. The Chevrolet symbol drink. You feel me? Come on this side. Yeah, man, we done did her some good. Yeah, we done did her some good. Now, for the interior, y'all, by the time I'm scheduling this video, y'all not gonna be able to see this as I'm talking about it, but when y'all see the video and whatnot. So, in the last video, whatever, we took out all this. All this is took out. Can I get a good angle? Oh yeah, all this is took out. Everything. Everything is took out. I gotta, you feel me? I gotta come in here and,
You feel me? Now, as y'all guys see the specific problems that I have, you feel me? Let's get on this floor plan, or this floor pan, right? And that side. You're gonna get on that side too as well. Now, he told me about this when I bought this, so I'm not really like mad about this, because I was aware about this previously. So this was kind of like necessary anyway. Like, this needs to be done immediately. Feel me? And that side needs to be done immediately. I gotta take the back side out. I don't know why I haven't did that yet. I've been tired. I gotta go to work and shit for these couple days. I've been doing a lot off camera to get this shit done. Not only this shit done, I be working. I gotta pay bills and shit. I got a regular job like everybody else. You feel what I'm saying? So all this shit come off grind, muscle, my brain, and my thoughts. And just me. You feel what I'm saying? Nobody else. So I gotta do what I gotta do. We gonna have fun. So basically, my plan is to cut this shit out and get a cardboard box, get some sheet metal, cut that sheet metal out in a manner of which I need it cut out. And yeah. And put it and weld that bitch back. And that part, this part right here too. That motherfucker look like it got eczema. That ain't funny. Anyway. So yeah, fellas, we took off, ouch. We took off all this shit. We took off the back. That. Left with this. Now, like, okay, Kel, you showing me all this shit for what? First of all, y'all shut up. We also have a different mod that we can work on later on, but this needs to be done ASAP before I can do anything else inside of here. But the outside, I can work on this until I can get ready for this right here. Understand? Do you guys fucking stand? Okay, now I understand. This right here, y'all know I've been wanting to do this as a project, so I'm gonna do this as a project. Once I do this, after I make the right investments, make some smart moves, make some phone calls, see who can help me for the least amount of money, or if I could do it myself, I'm gonna DIY it. Okay, good, capiche. Now, back to here. Y'all see this shit? I hate this shit. This needs to be done ASAP. Why couldn't it at least come like with some faded one that's coming off? This shit is not even on there. But anyway. Yeah, fellas. So look, for the people who want to know what color I want to go with for my whip, I can imagine, I can imagine like a smoky gray on 26s. I can see it now. Y'all don't see it? I can see it now. Abracadabra. Remember I said that. Watch this hand movement. It's going to sit right here. Watch. Watch what I tell y'all off these hands. Watch. Let me open my trunk right now. My key is in the house. Right? But that being said, this is what I'm saying, right? Capiche? Okay, cool. This trunk right here, I got to clean this out and see what that also looks like. So I can also put the material in here. Redo the trunk as well. Because I'm going to put some speakers in here that I'm going to build myself. Okay? I'm going to build myself. And I'm going to put them in here. And it's going to be the coolest shit ever. Alright, boom. Now, for the inside. Y'all probably like, what the hell is going on? What the hell, Leonte? Now, everybody knows when you got a project build and you doing it by yourself and you got a 9-to-5 build, bro, you have to take time. It takes time I got a job like everybody else got a job. I can't keep saying that. I don't got all the money in the world to just spend on this. If I would, I spend on this. So if y'all like, comment, subscribe, I can spend on this. When y'all run it up on me, I can spend on this. When y'all run it up, I can do giveaways because I can spend on this. So what y'all gotta do? Like, comment, and subscribe to my videos, bro. I'm hands-on, I'm learning. Still don't know shit. I ain't gonna lie, I still don't know shit, but I'm learning, I'm hands-on, I'm learning a little bit. Not this a little bit, but this a little bit, and I'm grinding, bro. That's all that matters. So he probably asking me like, damn, Kel, what do you envision for here? All right, well, let me tell you what I envision. Black. Everything. Fuck is you talk about? Smooth. All right, y'all. So like I told y'all the last time, man, this what I want to do. I want her to be smoky gray. I want her to be smoky gray. I want her to be on 26s. I ain't even seen what the suspension look like yet, bro. I've been trying to get the outside and the inside so good. I ain't been able to get my suspension right or my hood right. But this video right here, I'm gonna talk about this in another video, because in that video specifically, I really want you guys' opinion on this. Not only I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do anyway, but I want to know y'all opinion on this. So that video is its own separate video breakdown. Here's why and why I feel like such, and what do y'all think, and what y'all say from the comment section and shit, or whoop you bam, we gonna go with. So boom. For the people who don't know, I got this car when I turned 21, I believe. I lied, bro. I got this car when I turned 22, bro. You feel me? So I had this car for a little bit. Almost a year, but we ain't there yet, right? I got it for my birthday. I wanted it so we could do this right here. So now being in this time, being in this space, I get to be humble. I get to be like, I get to understand patience. I get to understand time and the grind to get not only this, but your life forward. Not only do you got to spend money on this, you got to spend money on your YouTube. You got to do all this stuff, bro. So for the creators in the world, bro, I just want y'all to know that if y'all grind, y'all can do whatever y'all want to do in the world, bro. I'm going to just keep it a bean. So I want y'all to run it up, stay focused. It's hot in the mug. It's hot. But all I'm saying is this, bro. I want y'all to run it up. I want y'all to get y'all money on. I want y'all to, damn. I want y'all to get y'all money on. I want y'all to goddamn turn up. Keep being inspired. Keep being motivated. Take every day, one step a day, one step at a time. Because in the truth, the reality matter is, bro, we cannot do everything. So, and that being said, let's get back into the broad scheme of things. Y'all seen me go over the whole car. Y'all seen everything. Probably in the video, I'm gonna give y'all a good walk around. Do you know what I'm saying? In another video, I'm gonna show y'all like a little bit of a before and after, so you could say, now, do I feel complicated and tired? A little bit, because I be having a lot going on. So this kind of take my mind off things. It's like my baby, you feel what I'm saying? So that being said, I really want to, this is my life right here. I enjoy doing this. I love this. This is what I want to do. If I could have $10,000, I put my money in that. You feel me? So we want this to be smoky gray. We about to get into another stage of sanding. We need to buy some metal. We need either somebody to pay somebody to do the metal work for me, or I can go do it myself. Y'all comment what y'all think about that shit. Should I go do it myself, or should I pay somebody else to do it? 2, body work. I gotta my next off days, bro, I need to spend a little bit of money, get what I need, and bite down and take this shit serious. Even if I gotta get it gotta be like a sanding and bondo day and primer. That's what I'm gonna do. The goal is, bro, I want this to be colored, and I want this to be colored, sanded properly, hole in the door fixed. Even if I gotta go buy a new door. Y'all ain't gonna tell me my shoes untied this whole time? Y'all boosted. Y'all should have told me my shoes untied. But the door, even if I gotta get a new door, that needs to be done ASAP. These are gonna be black. All this shit, I'm gonna go get fresh new ones. All this shit, all gonna be black. Okay? All these clips, they might come silver, but I'm a matte black and black with the metallic gray on with the rose gold 26s. Mind you, I really be manifesting this shit. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I be manifesting on the background, but I really be manifesting this shit. So I took the seats out. My seats are put up. Everything's put up. And that's basically the end of this video. I just wanted to show y'all everything that I've been through, everything that I've been doing. I wanted to chop it up with y'all. I ain't really been chopping it up with y'all. I've been giving y'all straight content. Y'all ain't even been able to feel me for real. Let me let y'all know who I am as a creator and a creative. So this is me right quick. Y'all see me, what I do. I don't try to be perfect. I don't try to be pretty. I don't care about that shit. I don't care about no extra shit. So if y'all watch me, y'all Chevy Kill Gang, y'all Kill Gang, or whatever the hell y'all want to call yourself, Bandit Crew. If y'all part of this motherfucking Bandit Crew, man, y'all gonna understand that we don't do no extra shit. We don't do no fake shit. We don't do no hoe shit. No B shit. We don't do no shit. You know what I'm saying? We don't make no unnecessary movements. All we do is grind and get to it. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video, because if you don't, I'm gonna smack your mama hoe.